Okay. So I'm going to discussing right now here one documentation string as one documentation string I'm discussing right now. See here. Okay, these all points are predefined third party, all we discussed in the last sessions. Okay, now comes to your documentation string. See here, if I'm writing like this, what we are calling this one, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4, like we are writing. So this is we are calling what, guys? Quotation. If you are writing like this, we are calling line commenting, multi-line commenting this one. So when we are assigning to one variable, then this is called what? Multi-line string. Multi-line string. Remember, multi-line string using the triple quotations only we are writing, but assigning to one variable. Without assigning the variable, we are calling like a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment not finding to the interpreter and not going to executing this one. Understanding? So multi-line string, multi-line comment. Now, documentation string also there. This using the triple quotations only, documentation string for our logics also we can create it. Documentation string using the triple quotations only by writing. So when we are calling this one as a documentation string, or when we are calling like a multi-line comment. Okay. So normal string means we are assigning to one variable that is called multi-line string, no problem. But here documentation string I'm calling, sometimes I'm calling a multi-line comment. What is the difference between that? How do you understanding? So that is the concept here. Okay. Whenever we are writing a property name, any property name, guys, for example, one function name I'm writing, one function name I'm writing. Okay. So inside this function, as a first statement, here, n number of lines code we can write whatever you want. Single line or multiple lines of code you can write, no problem. That is all ever is. That is all ever is. Okay. So after the function definition, immediately using triple quotations, if we are writing any content, that is technically we are calling like a multi documentation string, documentation string for this function. Function documentation string we are calling. Function documentation. This function documentation string representing what this function is going to do. Okay, after executing this function, what this function is going to return. So this function behavior returns in the form of documentation string. Okay, so in the real time, guys, as a good programming developer, for our coding, documentation string writing also more important. Then only other people, the people who are seeing our code in the future days, they will understanding our code. They will understanding our code by seeing the documentation. And you also in future, when you are revision, when you are doing revision your code, okay. So then so and so function is for what purpose? Like easily you can understanding without checking internal code. Okay. So remember like that. For every function, after the function definition, immediately we can write in between the triple quotation, that is called documentation string. Documentation string is so using this function name, using the function name dot double underscore doc double underscore, like we can use and we can print it. Double underscore doc double underscore, like one attribute is there, it representing the documentation string for this given function. Documentation string of this given function. Okay. And demo.py, this is one module, guys, a Python module. In every module, as a first statement, okay, using the triple quotations, if we are writing anything, that is called the documentation string for this module. Documentation string for this module. So here, so module documentation, we can write here. And after that, something x equal to 10, like I'm writing as. And after that, between the triple quotations, if you are writing something hello, hi, bye, okay. So this is we are calling like a comment, multi-line comment. This is the documentation thing. This is we can access by using double underscore doc. Your module name is what? Demo. Your module name is demo. Demo dot double underscore doc double underscore. Like whenever we are using, there you will get documentation thing of this module. Understanding? First of all, let me know in the chat box documentation string and multi-line comment differentiation. Documentation string, multi-line comment, both we are writing using the triple quotations only. That is one point. Inside the function body, inside the function definition, okay. I mean after the function definition, so as a first statement, or else inside a module as a first statement. In future we are going to create the classes inside the class as a first statement using the triple quotations. If we are writing anything, that is called documentation. Otherwise that is called commenting. That is called commenting. Hope everybody is understanding without getting confusing. So when you are attending interview, suddenly people are giving like inputs. So is this a documentation thing or is this a multi-line comment like asking? So many people getting confusing. Okay, we will do this one coding wise, then you will understanding. So now here, okay, this is the function. Here I'm writing, see, after the function definition, so these all statements there, immediately I'm writing using the triple quotations. This is called documentation, okay? So it returns addition value. Simply I'm writing. This is called documentation string. Documentation string. So here I'm writing like okay. So now here print the result of given values. Okay, print the result of given values. Now check it, guys. This is the function. Okay, so this is a function body. In this function body, as a first statement using triple quotation there means this is called documentation string. And here the after some normal statements, some after this some statements we have triple quotations. This is called commenting. So this is we are unable to accessing. This is we are able to accessing. Are you clear? Yes. Now you can see here. I'm going to be print add function related. So add function I'm calling, just you can see here. So add function. So result 30 we are getting. Add function missing to required position argument and 3. So this result printing as it is. So here A and B related values required. So 30 comma 40 I'm using. 30 comma 40. Okay. Save it, execute it. See here, this result 30 is these variables related. Now add function is calling. So value of A, value of B, and addition result printing as addition result printing. Okay. And now here print add dot double underscore doc double underscore like I'm using. Okay. So now you can see here. See, it returns addition value. See guys, add is a function dot double underscore doc attribute I used. So it returns addition value like we got it. But this is we are unable to accessing. This is we are unable to accessing ISA. Using the double underscore doc, this one we are able to accessing documentation string. Okay. And for the second function, subtraction related, we didn't created for the second function subtraction related, we didn't created any documentation. So then by default none is there. Okay, sub related also I'm trying to be accessing. So now here you can see here none value is there. So it means in every function internally, so like there guys, in every function internally like that. So that is only returned. Even though we are not writing by default for every function or for every module as a documentation string, so one none value is there. If we want to write a meaningful message, then we can write it by overriding them. Got it? So addition function related documentation, subtraction function related documentation, like we are getting as. So now module related documentation means, so here first statement, as a first statement, we are going to write something. So here I'm writing. So here we can write module 6 contains two properties, two functions, simply two functions like add, okay, add x comma y comma sub a comma b, simply, okay, a comma b, here also a comma b, like I'm writing. Okay, so module 6 contains two functions like add, sub, and two variables. Okay, and where is that? Here. Two variables like x comma y. Okay, like I given guys, the multi-line comment related. So otherwise you can write like this also. In between the triple quotations, multiple lines also we can write. Okay, so okay, now press it and execute it. See here, so returns addition value, addition function related documentation, subtraction related documentation, module 6 related documentations, we are not getting within the same module. Okay, so here module 6 dot double underscore doc double underscore, just I'm using and trying to be executing. See here, name error module 6 is not defined. So this line guys, this line whenever we are using in another module, there we can get it. Remember this? Okay, I commented this line. So these all documentations also we got it. So module 6 related there. So if you want, you can comment these lines also if you are understanding. Okay, module 7 I want to be create. Module 7. Module 7. So here I want to be import module 6. Just I'm going to be executing. See here. So result 60 there. You can check it. Now see guys, this is module 6. So in this module 6, x, y values also there, and print x plus y also there. These all are loading here. So that's why print x plus y related value printed here. Okay, result 30 like printing as. And next add function property also loading here, and subtraction also loading here, and after that add function calling is there. So that's why value of a, value of b, addition result printing. Okay, and after that here add related documentation printing here, this one, and the subtraction related documentation printing here, none is there. All of you clear this one? So now here I'm going to use print module 6 dot double underscore doc double underscore. So module 6 related documentation, I'm going to get it. Okay, so execute this. Now see here, this one. Module 6 contains two functions like addition function contains a comma b, and the subtraction function a comma b, and two variables like x, y. Are you understanding this one? So module 6 related, what are the functions there? What are the variables there? Okay, like we can represent like using this documentation. So any other person, for example, this person, the people who are working on this module 7, this module 7 person importing the module 6. But in this module 6, what are the properties there? This person don't know. So in that situation, module 6 dot double underscore doc, this module 7 related person can use, and they can get some information. Okay, in this module 6, two properties there, two variables there, like that. All be clear? So as a good developer, guys, as a responsible developer for every modules, so proper documentations we need to be right, then other people can understanding your coding. Okay, so here two variables, two functions I created. So here the functions related documentations within the module we can use, and module related documentations we can use in another module. We can use in another module. Okay, yes, this point I imported right now. And next here, print or di. Okay, just like I'm using one print. So one space we are going to get. So here also one space we are getting. Because of this import only, these all lines of coding executing, and after that one empty line printing, and then module 6 related documentation printing, and one more empty line printing. So like this. So after that, I want to do this something here. Now here we have a dir function, directory function. It shows the attributes of an object, attributes of an object. Okay. So simply dir function print dir like I'm using, and now see here. Okay, this last statement, guys. Print dir. Dir means directory. Simply we are calling a dir function. Okay. So it is showing the attributes of the function. Okay. So now here, these all are predefined things only. Predefined things only using the double underscore. Okay. We are getting any name is nothing but that is called predefined attributes. So here for every module, guys, double underscore doc is there, double underscore file is there, double underscore name is there, double underscore package is there. Okay, like a lot of other things also there, annotations related, all the things. So now here the module 6 also there. In this right now, module 6 only there. Okay, this is our property. So now here, print, print, so here, double underscore file, double underscore like I'm using. So just you can see here. See guys, see here. So using the double underscore file, this one, using this one, our current module where is available that entire file path we are getting. In D drive 80am Python, we have a modules folder there, module 7.py is there. Okay. So now here, one more print I'm using gap, and now here one more print I will use for just a gap purpose, guys. I'm getting, see here, using the double underscore file, our current module, our current file, where is available, that path we are able to get it. The path we are able to get it. Okay. And here double underscore doc, particular module related documentation we are getting here. Particular module related documentation using the double underscore doc. So this double underscore doc, this double underscore file, this double underscore package we are using. So right now we didn't discuss about the package. Later we can use this one. Okay. So remember, guys. And we have only module 6 here. One property we have module 6. Now here, uh, print. So help of module 6. Help of module 6 we can use. So now you can see, guys, see here. You can see here. So after the double underscore file, this file path we are getting this one because of this. Now here the help function I'm using, help of module 6. This module 6 contains what I don't know exactly. So I want to help of this module 6. So help on module 6, module name representing module name is module 6. Description. This description is nothing but in the module 6, whatever we created documentation string, that is we are getting. Module 6 contains two functions like add, sub, and two variables like x comma y. Are you understanding? So this is the documentation of the module 6 related, okay, with the description like showing. And so two functions I said, so using the functions, what are the functions they're representing? So add function a comma b there, subtraction there. So for the add function documentation I created, the documentation displaying here. For the subtraction no documentation I created, that's when none value created. And in this module 6 we have data variables x and y. So those things using data representing x value so and so, y value so and so. And this current module 6, okay, we are searching about the module 6. This is available in this so and so location. Like a description, we are getting it. Come on in the chat box, give reply. Are you understanding about this concept? Help function behavior. Help function behavior, dir function behavior. So sometimes help into our development. And these all things keep doing practice, you will understanding as you will remembering actual behavior of these functionalities. So in module 6, I created the properties. Every property, for example, add function is for what purpose? Some meaningful description if we are writing, then other people can execute like this, can understanding like this. Okay, add function require two parameters. Using this add function, so and so we are getting result like they are understanding. Okay. Yes. So now again you can check it in the module 6 here. Where is there here? Module 6. So in module 6, I created two variables and one print statement. So two functions, add function, subtraction function. For add function documentation I created, for subtraction documentation, just like non-value I created. Okay, and now here the add function I'm calling, result getting. So, and next add function documentation printing, subtraction function documentation printing. Like within this module, we are executing these all things. So, and this module 6 related documentation also I created here. Documentation also I created here. Okay. So now these all things we are going to load into the module 7 because of this line. So because of this line loading, and here what are the print statements there? So this print statement printing, and later here result printing, here the add documentation printing, subtraction documentation printing, all are executing. After that module 6 related documentation I want. So that is nothing but this documentation. Okay. So this documentation here we are getting as see here. Module 6 related documentation is this one. So this is we are getting. After that, so this is a print statement, gap line, we are getting empty line. Dir function I'm using. So dir function representing, so this module 7 contains what are the properties. In module 7, what are the properties there? Those all properties representing. In the module 7, right now we have module 6 property only. Module 6, one module only there. Okay. So that is representing here module 6. And these all are internal things for every module available. So here most of the times we are using double underscore doc, double underscore file. Using this double underscore doc, documentation of the current function or module or class we are getting. Using double underscore file, current module or a class, so where is available like the path we are getting. Okay, remember. So now here double underscore file I used means, so this current module, so where is available that path we are getting. See, that is available in this location. Okay, full path we are getting. And later module 6 I imported here. This module 6 contains what are the properties I want to know. Help function I used, help of module 6. Then this module 6 related, now you are getting this entire description because of this line. So help on module 6, name of the module is module 6, description of the module. In this module 6, what is documentation thing is there, that is we are getting. And in this module 6, what are the functions there? So those all functions with the functions representing, add function, subtraction function, like all are representing. In this module 6, what are the data variables there? Those all things using the data representing. Okay. And this module where is available, that path also representing. Okay. So remember guys, these all things. So this is enough about the modules related right now. Simply in one module, collection of functions or collection of statements we can create. In another module, we can reuse them. Sometimes we require to understanding this particular module contains what are the properties. There we can use a help function. Okay, now this module 6 related, you can see here. You can see here. After completing this all, print print help of module 6 I'm using. Module 6 only I'm printing. Module 6 only I'm printing. So now here in this, what are available displaying. Okay. So module 6 related description, module name, functions, data variables, all displaying here. And next here, the print dir also we are using. So now see here, because of the dir function you are getting. So here add function is there, subtraction function is there, one x variable is there, one y variable is there. Simply these all are properties. Okay, these all are default things. These all are our user defined things. Add, sub, x, y. Okay, so here we are getting using a dir in this module 6. In the module 6, what are available, those we will get it using the dir function. So add, sub functions x and y are data types. Using the help function, we are understanding. So x and y are data variables, add and sub are functions, like we are understanding. Okay. Yes, guys. Remember these all things. Do practice. In material also I given. Do checking. You will understanding. Okay. I will close these all things. Now up to the module 7 completing. Now next next session, guys. Next session, Python packages related we will discuss. See here, just function I created, add function with required logics. Next, subtraction function with required logics I created. So this is my Python file, for example. Okay, this is like a module1, module1.py. So this is what add related. Add function having logics, subtraction function having logics. These two things within this module, if we want to be reused, there we can use like this. Whenever, wherever we want, there we can use like this. But these properties, guys, okay. So if we want to be reused in another module, if we want to be reused, then this module name we are going to be importing here. So using import or from keyword, so we can import module1. Okay. So now it means add subtraction also loading into here internally. And along with that, you can develop it new modules. So one is multiplication related here. Okay. And another one is subtraction related here. One is subtraction related here, like you can import. Now here the add, sub is there, multiplication, subtraction there. So this is a module 2, guys. Module2.py. This is another module. Okay. So now one module contains functions, function contains statements. So these all things, guys, these all things, module1, module2, all together we can create in one name. Okay, inside one folder that is we are calling package, guys. A package can contains number of modules. A package can contains number of modules where every module contains number of functions, where every function contains number of statements. All are for reusability purpose only. This is the package. Now I have another package here. So in this package, okay, this is the package 2 assumption. Package 2 or else another module, whatever. Okay, one package or another module. This is like a module 3, for example. Okay, so here if I'm importing directly this package, it contains module 1, module 2, its properties all are loading into here. Otherwise only module 1 related if I want from package import module 1, then only module 1 related properties importing here. From package dot module 1 import add means only add property only importing, like several ways we can import it. So this is about the packages concept. So in the next session I will discuss about the packages clearly. Okay, so a package is nothing but a folder only. So when we are calling a normal folder, when we are calling a Python package, what is the difference between normal folder and package, how we can reuse them, these all things in the tomorrow session we will discuss it. Okay, in the real-time development, packages wise we are creating contains modules. Every module contains functions. Every functions contains required statements. Okay, and these all things using the 3 types of imports I explained already. So whatever you want, you can import it as per your requirement. Okay, yes, yes, sir. So thank you for this day. We will meet tomorrow with the packages concept. Thank you. See you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Recording stopped.
Yes, guys. So do remembering, guys, these all programs, do practice. This modules chapter is very, very important. So packages concept is just like small topic only. Inside the package also modules only we are using. Modules only we are using. Inside the modules, functions only we are using. So these all 3 things combination we are developing real time regularly.
Sir,
Sir, from here, how long it will take to complete the whole Python part?
Come again, voice breaking.
Sir, from here, how long it will take to complete the Python classes? How much sessions are
Yes,
more required?
yes, one session is for package. Okay. So later the one more week sessions taking us. One more week session. So file handling, exception handling, 3 days taking, and the OOPS concept is there. Okay. So less than 10 days, we can complete it, guys. So less than 10 days.
Hi, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Hi, sir. In
Yes.
Java, we can call module as a class, right?
Class is a separate one. Using the class keyword, we are going to create the class.
And package, inside the package, we have classes like that in Java.
Yes, yes. Inside of modules, inside the module, we can create classes.
Okay.
Okay. So right now, using def keyword, functions we created. Using
Yes, sir.
class keyword, classes we are going to create. So classes, how to creating, so far we didn't discuss it.
Mm.
In the OOP chapter, we will discuss about that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Guys, here 1 hour session I planned. That's why already I said 35 working sessions, 30 to 35 working sessions, like I said. So 11th we started, guys. So starting 3-4 sessions demos only we discussed. Okay, na? So that's why 1 more week it will take it to completing. Okay,
Sir.
na? Yeah.
Sir, question. Regarding this module documentation, if I write dir into the runtime, like,
Okay.
because you are not doing in print, I am not doing print, and I am a developer and I want to know about the other module, what it is there in their doc. Can I use that way also? Or is it I have to use in the code and figure out what the other developer has?
Yeah,
Like for
other developers created documentation just using the dir function, L function, you can understanding, and whatever functionalities you want to use, those functionalities you can use it
So
in your
you can
development.
do directly on the console of the Python console, dir bracket module 6, and
Yes,
that will import everything
you
inside.
can use it. Tomorrow in the packages, I will show you these things.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
So right now using the pip command, third-party modules we are installing, like I said. So we can create our modules and we can register our module in the Python package index, and then later we can install using our pip command our own modules also. Like these things we will discuss.
Okay, okay. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Yeah. Any other one?
Double underscore, sir. What is the meaning of the double underscore in the directory? Some of the functions are not double
Simply in Python, using the double underscore representing the variables. Okay, predefined variables. Documentation variables. Not only documentation, simply Python related predefined variables using the double underscore like representing. So double underscore doc having meaning, double underscore file having meaning, double underscore when we are discussing the files related, you will get it some more modules, attributes with the double underscore later. So double underscore name is also there. What is our current file name? Also we will get it. Sometimes one file accessing other file, that file accessing other file. Okay, like interacting. So what is our main file? Like we can get it using double underscore name. So these all are predefined variables.
So let us say some user system defined functions, right? Functions are variables, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
you can consider like that.
Sir, I have one question.
Tell me, madam.
Sir, what is module search path?
Module?
Search path.
Yes. In the tomorrow session, I will show you these things. So we can import this sys module. We can import
Yeah.
this sys module. The sys.path is there. You can get that.
Okay.
Then first time, for example, right now, this is our module. So, right, this is the module 7. Module 7 is available in this location. Okay. So
Okay.
current file where is there? That is automatically understanding by Python using this variable internally. So in this current folder is what? This one, modules.
Yeah.
D drive ATIM modules. In this we have module 7.py. So in this current folder, this module is available or not, like checking internally by Python itself. Okay.
Yeah.
So here if not available, then sometimes we are going to create virtual environment. Means in the C drive we have a Python software. So from C drive to D drive we can create a virtual Python software. Coming days I will show you this one. Virtual Python software. So if it is not available here in this virtual Python software folder available or not checking. Here also if not available, then we're going to check in the Python software location. So like this, these all paths are automatically checking by Python only. Okay. If nowhere is finding, then module not found error like throwing.
Okay.
So in our current folder only checking means this is your user defined file name like considering. So if it is not available, then somewhere third party modules we can download and we can store separate location. They're checking. Here also if not available, in predefined Python software location we have a predefined modules. Maybe here available like checking. Here also if not available, then this is not available like showing. When we are installing the Python software, in Python software, a lot of subfolders there, libs folder, del folder, like a lot of folders there. In those path locations are checking. So for example, here, I will use here or else simply command prompt. Okay, save it, execute it. And now here, okay, I will reduce this size. Import sys.path whenever we are using. So these are the current searching path for the required modules.
Okay.
Okay. So first time see here, current module location only checking. D drive, ATIM, Python modules. our current file is available in this location. Right now we are working on this location. Okay. So
Yeah.
here if not available, then checking for this second one. This is the Python software installation location. From here to here, one path. Okay, in Python 3.12, we have a lib folder. In that, we have this one. Later here also, if not available, in Python 3.12 only, we have a Python 3.12 zip folder. They're checking. Here also, if not available, in Python 3.12 only, DLLS files there. Like these all paths are automatically checking by Python only.
This is the system path.
System path, Python also using this one only.
Okay.
Modules related. So majorly checking about in this location. If not available here, our virtual folder checking. If not available there, then this one site packages there. So in this site packages, all predefined modules available. When we are installing using the pip command third-party modules, those also will come and store here only. So here available or not checking. Here also, if not available, then throwing the error, module not found error.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, guys.
Sir, in
Yes.
dashboard, the enrollment location is disabled, sir. They're showing only Python 8 p.m. batch. 8 a.m. batch is not, 9 a.m. batch is not showing, 8 a.m. batch.
ATM batch not showing.
Yes, sir.
Guys, for other people also same problem or only this person? Are you able to see other people? Dashboard or Python material are you able to accessing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Saturday I had
Yes,
used.
yes, sir. Accessing.
I don't have any problem.
Yes, guys. Other people able to accessing. The people who are having problems, please contact the office people. You will get information.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So remember up to this modules related. Tomorrow we will discuss the package concept. So up to the packages concept, we can consider like a core Python actually. Okay, these all topics, whatever we are learning up to the packages, this is a very, very important for any kind of development related to Python. So later onwards, chapters wise, we are discussing what are the chapters we require. We can discuss those chapters. Okay.
Sir, I'm having one concern.
Yes.
Hello.
FIB. Yes, yes. Wait. Somebody is asking here. So
Okay.
Django framework. Django framework. So once completing your Python session, guys, here, after 1 week session, we will plan about this. Evening also at 7 p.m. So right now project batch, okay, teaching. So up to the last session, completing batch related. I said introduce related questions, all the things we will discuss in the next session like that. So today I'm going to be wind up that session, and then evening session or morning session we'll announce this Django framework. Okay, some other people also asking. So the people who are interested can join the Django framework session. So that is maybe morning or evening will start. Okay, and here somebody is asking about the FIBO. FIBO. What is the meaning of that abbreviation? If you are telling about that, I will tell that. Janaki, are you here?
FIBO module means, sir.
FIBO is a module.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I didn't check. I didn't use this module. So I need to check it about this one. Okay. So you can
Okay,
check in internet, you will understanding FIBO. So Python related, so thousands of modules available, madam. So a lot of names also we are unable to know. Okay. I mean, if we are not discussing about that, if we are not checking about that particular module, so many people, they don't know about the names also. So myself also right now, this module first time I'm seeing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I will check it out. this one.
Sir, package is under the Python module.
That is just like a concept. So package is nothing but folder. In our system, D drive, lot of folders we are creating now. So it is also like a
Yes.
folder. Inside the folder, Python modules we are maintaining. But when we are calling a package means there is a separate syntax is there. So when we
Okay.
are calling, I mean, in one folder, one file we are going to create tomorrow session, we are if it is one file, one folder, in this folder, if we are creating like double underscore init double underscore dot py, like one file we are going to creating. In which folder we are creating this file, that folder we are calling like a Python package technically. This is called initialization file. Init, INIT, not INT.
Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow we will discuss that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
you are using the word properties many times. Will it mean all the functions and variables present in the module? Generally, we are using the properties word.
Properties nothing but module related variables, functions all together considering like properties.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. The members of the class or members of the module are called as properties. Contains variables, classes, methods, functions all together.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So, okay, guys, these functions and modules related do practice everyone. These all things required later. The people who wants to work on AI related, ML related, data science related, Django related. So all people regularly using these packages and modules and functions related concepts. So very, very important. For example, the people who are going to join for the Django session, from day one onwards, this module chapter we are going to use. Day one onwards, so 3 types of ways they're importing related. So every day we are going to importing some Django related modules. Okay, Django is one module. That module contains submodules. So every day we are going to use those submodules and we are going to develop in the logics. So there are a lot of functions, there are predefined functions. We are going to use those functions. We are going to create every day our own functions as per the requirement. For registration logics, one function. For login related one function. For the profile updating related one function. For logout related one function. Okay. After successfully login, then redirecting to home page. Home page displaying related one function. Contact page related one function, like a lot of functions creating with required logic, and we can develop in the websites.
Sir, using this module, how to display the current date and current time?
For that separate module is there, date time module is there, using that we can display it. Okay, na? So we didn't discuss about that module right now. For example, just see here the import date time, like one module is there, date time related. In this date time module, we have a date time class. In this we have a now method is there. So now method is there. So here, year of the current year, current month, current date, current hour, current minutes, seconds, microseconds, milliseconds related. Like all we are getting. So if you want year, separate attribute there. Using year attribute, we can get this one. Using month attribute, we can get this. Using a date, like a lot of properties there. If you know about those all properties, each one we can access. Whatever the presentation format we want to display, that format we can display this data. Okay. So here instead of 4 means April. So I want character related April, like a full month characters I want, or else 3 characters APR, like I want. Whatever the format we can get it. Okay. So this is one module. About this module separately, if we are spending time, then you will get it subject about the date time related.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop now this one. So see you tomorrow with a new chapter, packages concept. So do practice. Thank you for this day. See you. Bye.
Thank
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.